Hello, my channel lovers. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing about the verb. It means which implies the possession of a subject or possession of anything. So first, let us see the three tenses. In the present, what will be the verb? In the past, what will be the verb? And future, what will be the verb? So present, we can find that have or has we are using. In the past we are using had, and future will be using shall have or will have. So first of all we have to know when do we use have verb. Have verb is for I, we, you, they, plural nouns, this. For past, had is used for everything and all. The future, shall is used for I or we in general. Will is used for all, means rest. Rest of the things we can use will. So here again we have has. Has is used for he, she, it, singular, noun. So let us see them in examples, then it will be very clear. In the present you can make sentences like this. I have a doll. We have a car. He has a parrot. She has an umbrella. I think it is clear. In the past, we can use I had a bat. We had a bike. He had a cat. In the future, we can use I shall have a cycle. We shall have books.